right, good morning everyone. We are currently here in Tiger Park in Phuket, and we are going to try the tiger experience to see how that goes. So you know, there's different types of tigers that you can actually go and meet. You can meet newborns, you can meet small ones, medium ones, and large ones. So it's all up to you and what you decide to do. I think I'm gonna go with the small ones because I ain't all about that big life. You know, but apparently these tigers, they don't really do anything to you. They have them well trained and they have them ready for you. So let's see what really happens, and we're gonna try it out. Now, our excursion, our party is going to be like 900 bahts or so. So that's the equivalent to just like something like 20 bucks, I think, something like that. It's not gonna be that crazy, but I'm excited. Let's check it out. Oh, by the way, it is raining here, so we're gonna be locked in a smaller cage. That's the only thing. So we have a group of six individuals here, including me, my wife, good friends, and let's see what happens. Okay, I got exact numbers of how much it's going to be. So these people right here.
Not me.
Wait. How much is one?
Influenced me to get the big tiger and the small. Well, the biggest and the smallest.
Look at the shirt you're
So
wearing.
not the smallest, the small one, because there's a toddler, newborn. So it came out to 900 bahts per experience, so that's 1,800, and two people it'll be 3,600 to do it. So I got my tiger shirt on, so I'm ready for this. I'm nervous, but let's do it. You guys are ready and excited?
Here, over there. Your friend's over here.
The biggest one.
He's waiting for you. He looks hungry. He's looking for that Puerto Rican sazon.
Oh man. I'm super nervous, guys. I really am, but let's do this. Let's do this. The moment is here. The moment is here. Oh man. Oh man. Play with tiger.
Oh, look, there's one right here.
Play with tiger. Oh.
From behind and touch them firmly. All flat, no flat. Please stay your group. Don't walk alone. Walk follow staff inside the cage. Okay? Don't walk alone. Don't walk alone. Walk
with the
behind
staff. Behind the staff.
You touch tiger in the cage. Cannot go inside the garden because have a rain.
Yeah.
All right, that was crazy. I feel a lot more comfortable now.
You didn't look back at me. Baby, hug it. Hug its butt. Get closer.
That's it.
Nice, babe.
You were still on me.
have the newborns here. So we did the big ones, the small ones, and now the newborns here. We're not gonna interact with them, unfortunately, because they didn't book that one. But what I suggest to you guys is, instead of going with the small ones, go straight with a newborn. They're a lot more interactive. And quite frankly, they're cuter too, because they're smaller. So I would do the big and the newborns. That would probably be the best package for you. It is gonna be more expensive though. It's gonna be about 400 bahts more to get the newborn. But if you're gonna do both, it's worth it. So that's all I gotta say. Check out these cool shots that we're gonna put up. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more travel info. Take care, guys.